Hi, today we are going to talk about sales credit note. If you receive any good return from your customer, we have to key in sales credit note. Let's press on new to select back the same customer, AB Enterprise, and then we have to right click, transfer from sales invoice. Okay, let's say antenna. If earlier on you have delivered 10 units of antenna, maybe one of it broken. So we just press on one and OK. And then save. So once we have saved the credit note, system will auto update the stock. And for unit cost column, if system detect this credit note is transfer from sales invoice, then system will automatically capture the cost. So let's view the stock card. So you can see for CN00028, system have auto capture the cost. After you have done your sales credit note, system will auto post to customer credit note. So normally, there's two situations after customer return the goods to you. First, if let's say customer have already done the payment and your customer wish to get the refund for this return. So what we have to do is to go customer refund, new, to select our customer name, AB Enterprise. We will refund by cash or check. If let's say I will refund by cash in hand, and then how much you will refund, let's say 2.5. So we scroll down, look for the credit note 2.5, and then knock off and save. This is first situation. So for second situation, let's say customer haven't made the payment yet, or the customer wish to keep this amount for next invoice. So what we have to do is to go back customer credit note, look for the same credit note number, we have to edit it, and then let's say this 2.5, I wish to knock off this invoice, so I can just tick on it. So for this invoice amount will be deduct 2.5 and then save. Thank you.